Welcome students. So today we'll study about the list of irregular verbs. List of irregular verbs. This is on page number 121 in your workbook, and see the screen also. In the last video, I told you about the different kinds of verbs. Okay, other than the given that verb forms in your workbook, I told you the different 7 kinds of verbs. So I'll just repeat that, and one of them is irregular. Then we'll deal with the irregular verbs. First one is transitive verb. So transitive verb, yesterday I told you, it is a verb which takes an object, direct object or indirect object. Okay. Second one, intransitive verb. It is a verb which does not take an object. It is a verb which does not take an object. Third one, auxiliary verb. It is a verb which helps to form tense and voice. It is also called as helping verb. So it helps to form tense and voice. Fourth one is regular verb. It is a verb whose past tense is formed by ed. For example, ask, asked, talk, talked, walk, walked. Okay. Next is irregular verbs. It is a verb which has different past and past participle forms. It is a verb which has different past and past participle forms. See the screen. These are all irregular verbs. See, past tense bere, past participle bere. They are called irregular verbs. Then I told you about finite and infinite verbs. Finite verb, it is a verb which is limited by the subject in number and person. It is a verb which is limited by the subject in number and person. Infinite verb or infinitive, it is a verb which is not limited by the subject in number and person. So these are the 7 kinds of verbs, and today we'll deal with the list of irregular verbs. This is very important. That is why in first PU and in second PU they always give this list, because we use a past participle form to do passive voice, to go for reported speech. It is used for many things, to form the perfect tenses. I have taken. So we should know the 3 different forms of verbs, irregular verbs. First one is infinitive or present form. Infinitive pakkadalli present bariri. Infinitive baruvaga we say to arise, to awake, to ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಜರಿಗೆ. That is full infinitive and bare infinitive. Yesterday we studied. So infinitive form or present form, present. Second is simple past, and third is past participle. Past participle. You must remember, past participle is not a tense. Okay, it is a form of the verb which is used to form tense. For example, perfect tense. I have taken, I have eaten, she has gone. And also this is a passive voice. The milk was drunk. Okay, so different uses. Past participle is not a tense. Please understand. It is a form of the verb which is used to form tenses and voices. Actually the tenses yavudu? Present tense, past tense, future tense. Tense is different and forms are different. Okay. So today we'll study only about the irregular verbs and the list of irregular verbs. And whenever you get time, you read this list and then you learn them by heart. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಬ್ಗೆ past tense ಯಾವುದು, past participle ಯಾವುದು. Okay. So I'll read the important verbs here. Arise, that is present form. Past form is arose. Past participle is arisen. Similarly, rise, rose, risen. Okay, not risen. So arise, arose, arisen. See the screen, and if you have the workbook, please see page number 121. Then second verb, awake, awakened, awoke, awakened, or awoke. See what happens, awakened is regular form. Regular verb ಗೆ ed ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, irregular verb ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. So Americans, they go for the regular pattern. Okay, we must remember that. Next one is be, primary auxiliary. Be has got past tense. Be present form ಏನು, am, are, is. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಬಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಮ್, ಆರ್, is. ಇದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಇದು ಪಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಏನು, ವಾಸ್, ವೇರ್. ಪಾಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಬೀನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬುಕ್ ಬಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮ್, ಆರ್, is. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇರ್. ಬೇರ್, ಬೋರ್, ಬಾರ್ನ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ BORN ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೋ, BORNE. ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹುಟ್ಟುವುದು, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೇರ್, ಬೋರ್, ಬಾರ್ನ್, BORNE. BORN ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟ್. Beat has got the same beat. Okay, so one more form is beaten. Okay, beaten. Become. Come again ಬರ್ತದೆ, come, came, come. ಅದೇ ಥರ become, became, become. Next is begin. Begin, began, begun. Begin, began, begun. Next bend. Bend, bent, bent. Okay, next bet. Bet is the same, bet. ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, bet, cut, put, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡ್. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಡ್, ಬಿಡನ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಡ್, ಎರಡನೇ ಬಿಡ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಡ್, ಬೇಡ್, ಬಿಡನ್. Okay, then one more verb, meaning is different. Bid amount. Past tense is bid. And next bind, bound, bound. Bite, bit, bitten. Bleed, bled, bled. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Breed, bred, bred. Bring, brought, brought. Broadcast, broadcast, broadcast. Same. Next, build, built, built. Burn, burned ಅಥವಾ burnt. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬರ್ನ್ಡ್, ಬರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಎರಡು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ಬರ್ನ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ED ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಬರ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬರ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬರ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಬೈ, ಬಾಟ್, ಬಾಟ್. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾಚ್, ಕಾಟ್, ಕಾಟ್. Choose, chose, chosen. Cling, clung, clung. Clothe, clothed, clothed. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Creep, crept, crept. Cut, cut, cut. So next page is 120. Deal, deal. Okay, deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. Dive, dived, dived. It has got dove also. So next, do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Dream, dreamed or dreamt. Past participle also dreamed or dreamt. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Dwell, dwelt, dwelt. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಡ್ವೆಲ್ಟ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಡ್ವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿವೆ, ಈಟ್, ಏಟ್, ಈಟನ್. ಫಾಲ್, ಫೆಲ್, ಫಾಲನ್. ಫೀಡ್, ಫೆಡ್, ಫೆಡ್. ಫೀಲ್, ಫೆಲ್ಟ್, ಫೆಲ್ಟ್. ಫೈಟ್, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Flee, fled, fled. Fling, flung, flung. Fly, flew, flown. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Forecast, forecast, forecast. Forgo, forwent, forgone. Go, went, gone, ಅದೇ ಅದು. Foresee, foresaw, foreseen. Foretell, foretold, foretold. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Forsake, forsook, forsaken. Freeze, froze, frozen. Frostbite, frostbit, frostbitten. Get, got, got. Sometimes got ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Give, gave, given. Next, go, went, gone. Grind, ground, ground. Grow, grew, grown. Hang, hung, hung. There are two verbs, hang, hang. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಡ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಇದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು. ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಹ್ಯಾಡ್, ಹ್ಯಾಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್, ಹರ್ಡ್, ಹರ್ಡ್. ಹ್ಯೂ, hewed, hewn or hewed. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hold, held, hold. Sorry, held. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Inlay, inlaid, inlaid. Keep, kept, kept. Kneel, knelt, knelt. Kneeled ಬರ್ತದೆ, knelt ಬರ್ತದೆ. Knit, knitted or knit, knitted or knit. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid, laid. Lead, led, led. Lean, leaned or lent, leaned or lent. Leap, leaped or leapt, leaped or leapt. Learn, learned or learnt, learned or learnt. Leave, left, left. Lend, lent, lent. Let, let, let. Lie, lay, lain. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈಗೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೈ, ಲೈಡ್, ಲೈಡ್. ಲೈಟ್, ಲೈಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಲಿಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಲೈಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಟ್. ರೀಡ್, ರೆಡ್, ರೆಡ್. ಲೂಸ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಮೇಕ್, ಮೇಡ್, ಮೇಡ್. ಮೀನ್, ಮೆಂಟ್, ಮೆಂಟ್. ಮೀಟ್, ಮೆಟ್, ಮೆಟ್. ಮೋ, ಮೂವ್ಡ್, ಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೋನ್. offset, that is set, ಅದೇ ಥರ offset. Overcome, overcame, overcome. Overdo, overdid, overdone. Overwrite, overwrote, overwritten. Partake, partook, partaken. Pay, paid, paid. Next page. Plead, pleaded, pleaded. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಪ್ಲೆಡ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೂವ್, ಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್, proven, proved ಬರ್ತದೆ, proven ಬರ್ತದೆ. Put, put. Quit, quitted or quit, quitted or quit. Then read, read. Rewrite, rewrote, rewritten. Read. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. Run, ran, run. Saw, sawed, sawed ಅಥವಾ sawn. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Seek, sought. Sell, sold. Send, sent, sent. Set. Then sue, sued. Shake, shook, shaken. Shave, shaved or shaven. Shear, sheared or shorn. Shed. Shine, shown. Shined ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು shined ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Shoot, shot. Show, showed or shown. Shrink, shrunk. Past tense shrunk ಬರ್ತದೆ. Shut. Sing, sang, sung. Then sink, sank, sunk. Then sit, sat. Slay, slayed ಅಥವಾ slew, slain. Sleep, slept. Slide, slid. Then slung. So next page is slink. Slinked or slunk. Okay. Slit. Smell, smelled or smelt. Again, smelled or smelt. Sneak, sneaked, snuck ಅಥವಾ sneaked or snuck. Sow, sowed, sown or sowed. Speak, spoke, spoken. Next, speed, sped or speeded. Then again sped or speeded. Spell, spelled or spelt. Spelled or spelt. Spend, spent, spent. Spill, spilled or spilt. Spilled or spilt. Spin, spun. Spit, spat. Split, split. Spoil, spoiled. Spoil to ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. Feed, fed. Spread, spring, sprang. Stand, stood. Steal, stole, stolen. Stick, stuck. Sting, stung. Stink, stunk. Strew, strewed, strewn or strewed. Stride, strode, stridden. Strike, struck. string, strung, strung, strive, stored, stridden, stublet, sublet, let, same, sunburn, sunburnt or sunburnt, sunburned or sunburnt, swear, swore, sworn, sweat, 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 sweated ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. Next, sweep, swept, swept, swell, swelled, swollen or swelled, swim, swam, swum. So next page, take, took, taken, teach, taught, taught, tear, tore, torn, telecast, 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 tell, told, told, think, thought, thought, throw, threw, thrown, thrust, 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 tread, trod, trodden, upset, 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 wake, woke, woken ಅಥವಾ waked, waked, waylay, waylaid, waylaid, wear, wore, worn, weave, wove, woven ಅಥವಾ weaved, wed, wedded, wedded, weep, wept, wept, wet, wetted or wet, wet or wetted, win, won, won, wind, wound, wound, withdraw, withdrew, withdrawn, withhold, withheld, withheld, withstand, withstood, withstood, ring, rung, rung, write, wrote, and written. So with this we are completing the list of irregular verbs. It's very important because it is unless if you know the past participle form, then only you can go for forming tenses, forming passive voice and all that. Okay, that is why I have revised this this thing. Otherwise we don't do in the class. You are supposed to read them. Now whenever you get time, please start reading them and learning them. Regular verb andre eno, irregular verb andre eno, and what are the different forms: present form or infinitive form, past form, and past participle form. So list of irregular verbs. I hope you have followed. Again I'll just revise what all we have done today. Kinds of verbs. There are 7 kinds of verbs. First one is transitive verb. Transitive andre eno, passing. So action passes from subject to object. So simple ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it is a verb which takes an object. I hope you have taken down. Yesterday ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ notes ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ. If you have not taken down, please take. It is a verb which takes an object, bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ direct object or indirect object. ಎರಡನೇದು examples I gave yesterday. For example, I like cricket. So cricket is the object. So verb ಯಾವುದು? Like is the transitive verb. ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ, then it becomes intransitive. So second is intransitive verb. It is a verb which does not take an object. For example, she studies hard. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, so it becomes intransitive. She studies English. ಆವಾಗ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಆವಾಗ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್. ಸೇಮ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ auxiliary verb. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್. auxiliaries, ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ auxiliary, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ auxiliary, ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ auxiliary verb, it is a helping verb which helps to form tense and voice. Okay. Next, regular verb. It is a verb whose past tense is formed by ed. Okay. Walk, walked, talk, talked. Irregular verb. list notary, screen notary ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. It is a verb which has different past and past participle forms. Different past and past participle forms. So I have read the complete list of irregular verbs. So whenever you get time, please read them and you must know what are the 3 different forms. Okay, tense ಬೇರೆ, forms ಬೇರೆ. Tense ಯಾವುದು? Present tense, past tense, future tense. Forms ಯಾವುದು? Infinitive form or present form, past form, past participle form. And past participle is not a tense. It is a form of the verb which is used to form tenses and passive voice. Okay, remember that. Then, so this list you must learn now and then. Then we have a finite verb. Finite verb. Every sentence will have a finite verb. It is a verb which is limited by the subject in number and person. For example, I like orange. He likes orange ಅಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ. So like becomes likes. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ subject change ಆಗಿದೆ. So that is why it is called as a finite verb. Okay, finite verb is limited by the subject in 2 things, in number and person. Number means singular ಬಂದರೆ singular, plural ಬಂದರೆ plural. Okay, person means first person, second person, third person ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Next is finite verb and infinite verb. Finite verb, anyway, I told you, infinite verb means it is not limited by the subject in number or person. Generally, infinitive or infinite verbs have 2 forms. That is 2 plus present form. That is to go, to play. This is called full infinitive. Okay. Then without 2, for example, to go or go. Go is a bare infinitive. To go is a full infinitive. Okay. Here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವುದು bare infinitive. Arise, awake. Okay. Or it's also present tense. Infinitive ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರೀರಿ present. So simple present, simple past, ಆಮೇಲೆ past participle. Present, past, past participle. These are the 3 different forms of the verb. Tense ಬೇರೆ, forms ಬೇರೆ. Be clear about that. Otherwise you will get confused. ಭಾಳ ಸಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪಲ್ ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಕೆಲವರು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೆನ್ಸೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಬ್. ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಈಟನ್, ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾನ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಆವಾಗ ಟೇಕನ್, ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅದು. ಅದಂತ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬರುವಾಗ it becomes present perfect tense, past perfect tense ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, in the starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ I have done detail about the verbs. So because verbs are the most important part of the speech. Okay, for example, ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಮುಖ್ಯ? ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ವರ್ಬಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ಹೀ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ. ಹೀ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎನಿವೇ, ಸೊ today's video is on the list of irregular verbs, but in addition to that I have explained the different kinds of verbs. Okay, so these all appendix I am doing in your workbook. One more video I'll take. This 11th video, one more video that is on punctuation marks and figures of speech. With that, I'll be closing your first PU workbook. Okay then, bye.